Oh, baby. Samsung at it again. Shout out to Anthony, as always, for posting this on X. As always, if you follow the channel, you know I do cover a lot of stuff Anthony posts. Absolute legend. But this is a tri-foldable wide phone patent. Now, Samsung just canceled the tri-foldable phone. They brought it back for one last run, and my assumption is they're just going to cancel it again. So I'm not really 100% sure about this concept of them, again, now bringing back the tri-foldable phone for a wide version. I don't think that they're going to do this personally, and I think that if this was somehow done, it would cost way too much money for anybody's good. So I guess it's a concept that, needs to be there, I guess. But with that being said, as you can see right here, we have the bottom screen that would be the bottommost screen here. And then it connects with a hinge type design to the inside display screen, which would be right here. And of course, the hinge up here, which would do the last screen up here. So when it's in a triangle form here, it looks so freaking weird, but the concept is kind of normal when it comes to these tri-foldable phones. I don't think you understand how thick this phone would be. We're talking about most likely 1.25 times the size of the normal tri-foldable phone we see from Samsung, which already is very thick. This would be even thicker than that. So it just wouldn't make any logical sense. And maybe as a passion project by Samsung, because that's really what the tri-foldable phone was for Samsung when they just released it. So maybe that concept could work. I just feel like nobody would buy it. And maybe that's it. Maybe they just want to release a small limited release in South Korea, and that's all they're going to do. Concept is there. I just don't think it would work. I think what happened is they released this concept, or they filed this patent because we're now getting it. They probably filed this when they first thought about releasing the tri-foldable phone, and they just kind of wanted to get ahead of the curve of having another patent out there just in case they did want to go with the wide as well. And I think that's what this is. It was just a patent that was put out there just in case. Not really something that I think was ever supposed to be a thing. Just kind of something that was a concept where just in case they decided to go down that route, they had all their bases covered. Because I can't see how this is a realistic possibility by Samsung. Maybe I'm crazy. I just don't see it being truly able to sell any units. But see you guys in the next one. Peace.